Hey guys, Shivansh is back here with a brand new video, and today I'm going to tell you about a solar eclipse. I'm Shivansh and you are watching Let's Do Shivansh. But if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Monday, 21 August 2017. All North America will be treated to an eclipse of the sun. Anyone within the path totally see the nature's most amazing inspiring sight, total solar eclipse. This path where the moon completely covers the sun's tenuous atmosphere. The corona will be seen stretched from 64 km in North America. So there are three types of solar eclipse: partial eclipse, annular eclipse, and total eclipse. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, go down and give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe here and watch this video. Thank you.